Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into public records. Everything you need to know for 2025. If you've ever wondered what these records are, how they work, and why they're essential in our digital age, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly are public records? They're documents and information created or maintained by government agencies that are available for anyone to access. Think of them as the backbone of transparency in society. Common examples include birth certificates, marriage licenses, property deeds, court filings, and even criminal records. These records help ensure accountability and are used for everything from personal research to legal matters. Now, fast forward to 2025. With advancements in technology, accessing public records has gotten a whole lot easier. Many governments have rolled out user-friendly online portals where you can search databases from the comfort of your home. However, there are some key updates to note. New privacy laws, like enhanced data protection regulations, mean you'll need to verify your identity more securely, often through biometrics or multi-factor authentication, to prevent misuse. Plus, fees for digital access have been standardized in many areas, making it more affordable. But why should you care? Public records are a goldmine for genealogy enthusiasts, journalists, or anyone conducting background checks. They promote openness and can even help you uncover family history or verify property details. On the flip side, be cautious about privacy risks. In 2025, with cyber threats on the rise, always use secure connections and reputable sources to avoid exposing sensitive information. To get started, visit your state's official website or use trusted third-party services. Remember, laws vary by location, so double-check what's available in your area. If you're new to this, start with simple searches and build from there. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more informative videos, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. See you next time.